Introducing the composite slab, where the pre-stressed T-beam and the 1 meter panel are laid on top of existing ring beams, meaning you first need to cast your ring beam fully so that our pre-stressed T-beam can latch on top of your ring beams. The 1 meter panel fits in tandem, as you can see. It locks in between the two T-beams to give you a floor platform that is safe for working on top. This is the result. It's a very quick installation requiring basic and skilled laborers and one fundi. And the core part is to lift them up using a rope or a crane. The platform is now ready to lay your services, the electrical conduits, the plumbing services points, and once those are laid, then we are ready to concrete it. This is the soffit, very beautiful. You can see how they've interlocked to give you a platform that is ready to be schemed or painted directly. And once that is done, now we are ready to pour our concrete. We mix our concrete with fiber mesh, so we call this concrete fiber reinforced concrete, which is already reinforced, hence no need of installing the BRC. The platform is safe for the wheelbarrows to run across, as you can see them, and we're only pouring a 50mm top only. This is very, very thin layer of concrete, hence very light and also very affordable in costs. It works perfectly once these pre-stressed T-beam and the 1 meter panel have been covered with the concrete, which the concrete acts like an adhesive or a glue to hold them together. Then we have a platform that we can call a floor. This type of slab doesn't require the 14 days curing time. It is ready to be used next day, and you can see the next day the columns formwork has been assembled, and now we are ready to pour the concrete. And the next course will be installing the precast wall panels as a walling. And once the wall has been installed, we're going to cast our ring beam. Visit us any location. This is our contact, and we'll be ready to serve you. Thank you.